So hey guys, I'm excited about this product here from Last Fit. It's the cargo organizer. I've been looking for one of these for a while. This one does a lot of great things. It's made out of a great material. I think you guys will really like it. And again, it's from Last Fit, great company. I've used a lot of their stuff before. So let me open this up and show you what you get. Okay, so as you see, it's a collapsible unit, which is nice. You can configure it different ways. Has dividers inside, so you can, depending on what your needs are, have bigger compartments. It's made out of this strong Oxford cloth, really super strong, easy to clean if you spill something on it. It's hard to pick up on the video, I know, but it's super durable and thick. So it's not cheaply made. Has nice handles if you wanted to load something in it. Let me go ahead and extend it for you. So here's what it looks like fully extended. Has a lot of room and has these dividers in it that you can, like I said, you can configure it different ways, put compartments in it. There's one set that's connected that goes for the bottom, so it supports the bottom, nice and sturdy. Like I said, you can load stuff in it, use the handles to carry it to your car if you're going to the beach, whatever, or load groceries in it and then just take the whole thing inside. Really nice quality, has a lot of pockets in it. A lot of extra storage. It's one of those great things you need for your car. Instead of having just a big empty spot, as you know, everything slides around. It's nice to have something like this to organize it. And you can easily secure this to your car however you like. Zip ties, bungee. Use one of the handles here and secure it. It's really nice. Nice way to, whatever you guys need. Some towels, car care products. You guys play sports, put some balls in there, whatever you need. Really sturdy. And like I said, I like how it collapses. So if you don't have a lot of room in your car, you can collapse it down, store it anywhere you want. But here's all the little dividers that you go. They just Velcro in place. It's really easy. They give you a little diagram, shows you all the different ways you can do it to line it up here. But I like this one. And right now they're running a special. If you use my code right here on the screen, you'll get 15% off until November 30th. So definitely take advantage of their Black Friday sale right now. Save you guys some money. But it's really easy. I'll set this up for you and I'll show you how it looks all configured. It's really nice. You can even configure it so you have lids on it too. And here it'll show you the little diagram here. So if you want to put something cold in it, it'll help keep it insulated, putting the little tops on it. If you have a beach day or what have you. But again, it's a really nice quality product. Everything seems really well built. So let me go ahead and configure it and I'll show you exactly what it's going to look like. Okay, so here's kind of the idea. So see here, you can have 3 different compartments here. If you're, what I like this for mainly is like when I go shopping, you put milk in it. So number one thing, if you just have a big open area, it slides around, they leak really easily. And the smell of milk is very hard to get out. So putting in something like this, very nice. Like I said, super sturdy. And if it leaked on here, it's easy to clean or hose off. And it dries really quick. Again, really nice. And you have plenty of pockets for your needs. Okay, so let me go ahead and put it in. I'll put it in our pilot and I'll show you how much room it takes up. Okay, so this is it, fully assembled. Looks really good. As you can see, you have the compartments here. And it has these nice non-slip feet on them. Like little points here. And surprisingly, even on this plastic, it grips really well. Even on this. So if you guys are running trunk trays, it helps. I would definitely secure it still. Just to be more secure, of course. You can use these handles and tie it down to one of these hooks here on the cord. You know, I put the D-rings. You could hook it to there very easily. And then like this is the part I was talking about. It has Velcro here. Velcro's to the back. And now you have a lid. And same with this other piece. There you go. Now you have a totally enclosed compartment. You can open one side at a time. Perfect for the beach. Like I said, the material that it is, it's that slick material. It'll help keep it insulated. Put some ice packs in there. Very nice and sturdy too. So, very nice design. Just to keep it all organized. And what I like about it is it has handles. So you could take this down to the beach if you're using it for that. And then just throw it right back in here. It's not like it has to stay in the car. So the portability makes it really great. So right now, guys, take advantage. Like I said, 15% off. It's a good deal. It's not even that bad to begin with. So click the link in the description below. I think you guys will really like it. So let me go ahead and collapse it. So here it is, all collapsed down. As you can see, this is everything inside, all the dividers. It doesn't take a lot of room too, and that's what I like. If you guys remember the one I had in the cord, the big one, the big stationary one, it's nice, but it takes up a lot of room, and it's kind of a pain to store. This thing, I mean, look how much room. It's like a small little briefcase. Easy to throw it wherever you guys want. So again, click the link in the description, pick yourself up one, save 15% now until the 30th of this month. Okay, guys? So I wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you guys find that useful. I hope everyone's doing good, staying safe out there. I appreciate all the support, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care, everybody.